Imagine launching a viral, faceless YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram channel in just minutes.
Let me ask you something. What if you could launch a faceless YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram channel in just a few minutes? And from that moment on, it creates and posts videos for you automatically, 24/7, even while you sleep. No editing, no uploading, no being on camera, no touching it ever again. Sound crazy? Well, it's not. Imagine this.
What if I told you there's a faster, cheaper, and radically different way to build faceless video channels without lifting a finger? A new hands-free method that automates everything: video creation, thumbnails, uploading, descriptions, scheduled posting, and does this all for you 24/7 even while you sleep. If you've ever thought about launching a faceless YouTube or TikTok channel, it probably looked like way too much work. You've seen the typical guru path. Spend hours researching video ideas, write your own scripts, pay editors, voiceover artists, and thumbnail designers, manually upload and hope for views, or pay an expert $10,000 or more for coaching that just teaches you the same old grind. No wonder most people never get started. But here's the truth they never tell you. That model is an older model that is broken. Most creators burn out, not because the opportunity isn't real, but because that system is stuck in the past. And even the new AI tools, they still keep you glued to the screen doing a lot of grunt work yourself. That's why Shane and I flipped the script. We removed the bottlenecks, the tech headaches, and the endless to-do lists and replace them with one fully automated system that creates, uploads, and schedules your videos for you. Simple. It's a 3-step process built to be stupid easy. Step 1. Choose your niche. You pick the topic or theme you want your faceless channel to be about, from motivation, AI, crypto, gaming, news, luxury, conspiracy, literally hundreds of possibilities, and we show you which ones pay the most. Step 2. Use Shane's custom-built mini tool. This is where Shane's magic happens. His secret tweaks and hacks are secrets that he discovered while testing this system himself. And these hacks let you maximize reach, speed, and viral lift. Step 3. Let the automation take over. Next, you activate a second AI tool that writes your scripts, choose from dozens of languages, creates your videos, adds thumbnails and descriptions, and auto-posts content to YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram 24/7 on schedule and on autopilot. Here's what you'll get: step-by-step video training, Shane's secret automation hacks, the high-revenue niche action guide,